Data analysts' work means nothing unless business users can play with the data freely. With OWOX Data Marts, data analysts empower business users with spreadsheet reports and dashboards in minutes. Choose your favorite DW8, such as Google BigQuery or AWS Athena, for storing and processing data. Connect a data destination, such as Google Sheets or Looker Studio. Now you are all set. Create your collection of data marts, automate report refreshes, visualize your data in 2 clicks, control and deploy it wherever you need, your laptop, corporate infrastructure, or the OWOX cloud. It's open source, lightweight, and easy to use. OWOX, where data makes sense.